We don't know where the fucking track is. So we're gonna keep walking. We're gonna keep walking 10 more minutes. We're gonna keep walking like a bit, I guess, and try to find the turn off. But it might just be where the cars are, so we might be like stupid.
I'll get a picture of you at the end.
We've turned back because we think it's at the car park. Marco wants a jumper. Kyle doesn't see the track yet because he's stupid. But this is clearly the track.
That is pretty well hidden.
Yeah. Come and look at it. Come from here, it looks much more obvious.
You can see the track.
You can see it better from there. Wow.
Wait, I wonder if I can get it all together.
There's walking sticks for hire.
So we've got the walking sticks for hire.
We're all vlogging, by the way.
And then here the. What?
I found a dead snail. Oh wait,
You zoom in.
that's a snail. Can you take a photo of it? You got it? There's like a thing biting me. So there's hella leeches. We're gonna get AIDS or something. No, edit that out. There's fucking hella leeches there for real. I reckon if I stop again in a second, I'll see some leeches on my shit. Leech inspection. Leeches clear. Look at that fucker. Look at that. Yoza. This is actually fucked. It's actually like leech galore. Leeches are just fucking everywhere. I'm just walking. It's fucked.
Another day.
Leeches are out to get us. This video right now. I've been killing them, so they're not on me. Oh, look at this guy. No, he's hungry. No, what the fuck? Killed.
I don't know, I'm very.
Get it up! Get it up!
It's gonna like not look down now until we get to the car.
Alright, we're fucking going back because we're going back. This shit fucking sucks. There's so many fucking leeches. Sorry guys, let me compose myself. Right guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're turning around because there's fucking leeches everywhere. Sorry, I can't swear. Welcome back to the vlog. Track was too easy, we're going back. Yeah, what? Yeah, can you say that again? Okay. Yeah, it's too easy. Yeah, very successful walk. Another day walking the tracks with the gang. But who's gonna have the most leashes? Well, it's not gonna be me. It's gonna be Michael or Kale. It's gonna be one of them. Pretty sure it's gonna be Kale. Guessing Kale with 5 leeches. Let's see what happens. The vlog. Made it out alive. There's definitely some leech on my feet right now. I'm getting to the dang car so I can get this shit off me. Now for the fucking reveal. Looks clean. Oh my god, there's one on me. On my sock. Did you have any on your feet?
I didn't have any on my feet.
Okay, wait. So, film Kale's shit. It's already recording. No, horizontal. In his shoes?
Yeah.
That's fucked.
Bro, they're looking, bro.
Is there any like on my...
I thought he was gonna go on the phone. They're gonna go on the phone.
Are they? Get them off the phone, bro. Another day, another successful hiking trip.
I don't feel like successful.
Next time we will see the plane.
Maybe. There's a plane?
Next time.
I feel like just...
Stay tuned. No, we'll get through it. This isn't the end of the vlog. It's a birthday, get a camera. Hello.
Around. I think leeches can smell fear, bro. What is this fucking... I thought this was gonna be some like scientific kind of like, it's just like... I feel like I've like never seen any fucking alien shit, so I don't even know. Like anytime something like was viral, fucking, I declare a thumb big out here, bro. Make the noise.
Make the noise.
Paparazzi.
To the rock.
Paparazzi.
To the rock. Make the rock. I think this is the one that did the noise. Just because of you.
It's raining sideways. Get him the salt, get him the salt.
He's in the salt. What do you think of that, buddy? How do you like blood now? It's nothing to do with blood, I guess, but... Just grab him. Let him have a last meal. Last supper.
No.
No.
You grab him.
Okay.
Grab him.
I don't really want to... I don't want to...
Okay, bro.
Okay. Go to Dublin. What the hell? What the frig? That's fascinating. You guys seeing this?
We should send this to like
CSI.
Neil deGrasse or
Send us to
something.
Peter.
Bill Nye.
National Geographic.
Yeah. Like, I kind of want to shake it, but then I think we wouldn't be able to see it dying.
Oh, this is a good view.
Top down view.
Yeah. This is crazy.
The graveyard.
Look at that. The more you know, huh?
Is that like its mouth?
You should like,
Bruh. Bruh. I know.
I don't know how you do it.
that
But
way.
you should like get new salt, and then like
I'll squish him.
No, but I mean like you use the new salt in dinner, but then like you show a video of like that, and then like
They
you
squish
basically
him.
have to get